Alright, what's up, guys? What we're gonna do today is reset this Samsung Note 5. So basically, we got a lot of apps down there, right there. So okay, it's simple. Just go to settings. Okay. Oops. There. Right. I go down. Go to backup and reset. There you go. This will actually ask you how you want to reset it. So you got like three options here. You got reset settings, reset network settings, and factory data reset. So if you do the factory data reset, it will basically go back to the default settings from the start. Brand new, all brand new. So all your data will be erased. Okay. So be careful when you choose this option. All right. Let's do the factory data reset. Right. So I'll reset the device. Click on reset. Asking for the pin. Okay. Delete all. Actually, it's asking for a password. Okay, once you enter a password, click confirm. There you go. It is successful and it is actually resetting. Now it is rebooting. Look. Samsung Galaxy Note 5. Yeah, installing the system update. It will work quite a while, so I'm just gonna post my video and I'll continue later on. Alright, so that you don't get bored. As you can see, it is currently erasing all the data that has been stored to this mobile, and all the apps as well will be removed. So it's gonna be completely brand new. Alright. Now it's installing the applications. Oh, it's quite quick. Okay, I think I put my thing on the same card too. Post prepaid. Okay. So just select which country you're in and let's get started. Kaal, come here. Next. And next. Agree. And done. You can add your name. That you can add it later on if you want to. For security reasons, you can either put the fingerprint or password or code. There you go. So let's say you wanted to pattern security. Okay, like Z. Alright, continue, and you want to do it again to confirm it, and done. In case you forget, just put your backup security code, which is 00, pattern reset. Okay, and it is actually asking for your fingerprint. Now 37% done, 44, 47, 62, 57, 64, 69. 9. Just keep doing it till you complete 100%. Now done. Okay, click done. Next. Next. Skip. Can do it later on. Finish. Okay, all done. Looks brand new. Look at that. Look, have a look. There's your apps. Before we got Mobile Legends, but now we don't have. Okay, so let's have a look on your account about this device. So this Galaxy Note 5. As you can see, so for information, there you go. Alright, have a look in the gallery. It's completely empty, nothing there. Alright, that's all really. Okay, if you like this video, just like and subscribe. Thank you.